myself Dr. Najib. I am the proprietor of Bharat Unani Pharmacy. Our main product is Bharat Honey. Actually our specialty is we collect raw honey from different area and pack it separately. Actually this is a concept abroad, but we are doing since so many years here. Now even FSSI has introduced, okay, if the 50% of the floral source is from one flower, then you can attribute that name to that honey. So we are offering total 9 types of varieties of honey. Among that 5 we are marketing, that is multiflora honey, Kashmir honey, Sidr honey, Lychee honey and Jamun honey. Every types of honey will have a different taste, color, aroma and accordingly its medicinal value. The confirmation can be done through the bee pollen test. I mean, if you see our honey under microscope, whatever flower I am telling, that bee pollens will be visible in the microscope. So you can confirm that. Now recently you have seen in the news, many big brands have failed in the NMR test. NMR test is conducted in Intertech, Germany. There our big brands has been tested there, but they are all failed in the purity test. We have also got our samples tested there and ours is passed. All the reports we have put on our website bharathoney.com. Our honey is not in the mainstream market, but we are doing it through Amazon and our own website bharathoney.com. Few outlets they are keeping our few varieties, but not all. The commercial honey, according to me, all the commercial honey they are not giving genuine honey. That has been proved 2 times. I mean, last December 2020 also one Down to Earth Society they have conducted test and it has been failed. Recently last month the Maharashtra FDI they have conducted test and it is failed. The same thing I have been telling since 3-4 years. If you see our literature, all these things like related to rice syrup. Rice syrup is a honey which can pass all the FSSI parameters, but that is not honey. That can be proved in a higher test like NMR test. So if those parameters come in India, you will see very less honey will be sold. Yesterday I spoke with some expert. So he was telling that because of the COVID situation, the consumption of honey has increased almost 6 folds. But still the same amount of honey is available in the market. So from where this is coming? This is not a factory produce. This has a limited production. I mean, the production is varied, but not this how many 2 times, 3 times, 6 times. The 6 times the demand is created, but the honey is available everywhere. 1+1 brands, many brands are coming. So the government has to introduce the higher test like NMR test, and for rice syrup, high fructose corn syrup, the recent adulterations what these brands are doing, we need to catch those types of adulteration and we can